Hello everyone! It's been a minute since I filmed a video, but I have an unboxing I'm going to be doing. It's a book bundle for an ARC team I'm on. So I figured once it got here I would unbox it with you guys. So we're going to go ahead and get this baby open. Let's see what all I got in here. Ooh. I like that. Oh, that is also pretty neat. It looks like also in here I got a nice little notebook. Awesome. I love notebooks. I collect them. You can ask my family. I'm notebook crazy. But here's the little book, blind date with a book, even though I know what the book is. Let's see, we got a little thank you card. This says thank you for your order. And then inside this little package, oh, it would help if I knew which way it opened. Okay, and here it looks like we got, ooh. Alright, looks like we got a little, I think this is like a decal of sorts, with like the hands and some stars. Very pretty. And we got some stickers. This is a magnetic bookmark, I think. Yeah. I like that, a little design on it. Trying to get it without the glare. It has just that on both sides. Then we've got a bookmark. Then another bookmark. A couple more decals. Oops, that one's upside down. And then we got the sun. Another bookmark. Another decal. I love the holographic effect on these. It's pretty. And then we have the author that sent me this book bundle, C. Warner Thompson. And then right down on this side here is her link tree. So you can pause it if you want to go and like follow her on that. And then we have a character card, but also on the back, she signed it, and it says, "Thank you for all your support. Without readers like you, indie authors would never feel the thrill of seeing their own books out in the world. I can relate. Every character deserves their say. Every character deserves redemption. Keep falling for the morally gray. C. Warner Thompson." And then here, we have a book tracker. This might actually help because I'm starting to collect some books from other indie authors as well. Okay. And then we have the book itself. And this is Moon-Torn Hearts by C. Warner Thompson. It's a very good book. I actually had the opportunity to ARC read it, and I loved it. As you can see, the book itself is super pretty, and I am very happy that I have this in my collection now. And I definitely recommend you guys go check this book out for yourself. This was a 5-star book for me. You guys won't regret it if you like the paranormal romance type books. As I said, it was a 5-star read for me, and I suggest you guys go check this out. And that will be it for me, so I will see you guys later.